All right, I got my park tool crank remover. You want to screw this thing in all the way as far as it'll go, because the more threads you got on there, the better. Here we go. I will say that this park tool one worked a lot better than my El Cheapo one I had. And if you have a hard time getting it loose, you can take a piece of PVC to give you extra leverage and just stick that right on top of there. That'll give you extra leverage so it comes off really easy. Once you get it broke loose, then it should come pretty easy. See it sliding off there. And bingo, we're off. Yay! Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt. Today we want to take a look at a park tool. Let's take a look at this. Alrighty, this is a really nice tool here. It's got this little rubberized thing on here, and it's got the little end on this, so you can put it in there. And the neat thing about this one is this one spins here. A lot of these, especially the cheaper ones, this part don't spin, and so it puts a lot of stress on the crank. The last one I bought was an off-brand one, and the threads were messed up, and I had a really hard time getting it off. And this one worked a lot better than the El Cheapo one. Yeah, and the El Cheapo one was only a few dollars less than this, so yeah, you might as well spend a few extra bucks and get a really quality tool. And this one made it a lot easier. I felt a lot more confident taking it off with this one than I did the other one. The other one, I wasn't looking forward to doing this time because of what happened the last time. But yeah, what happened is the threads on it was messed up, so I had to take a hacksaw and I had to mess with it and try to get the threads to go back again. And I was concerned that there was going to be a little burn. I was going to eat it up as it went on. And anyways, but this one here, it's very well machined, and it's got, like I said, this rotating thing on the end here. So yeah, that's a very welcome tool to my toolbox. Alrighty, well, this is Papa Blue Shirt. I highly recommend this tool, and it'll do the job for you. Goodbye and good luck.